Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how I stay fit as a middle-aged man. And I'm gonna be showing you my workout today and what I'll be eating as well. So right now it's about noon and I'm doing my workout. I'm fasted. I fast throughout the morning. I drink water throughout the morning. I usually have my first meal around 1 p.m. So no food yet. Yesterday was a run, so today's a strength training workout. I kind of alternate between running and strength training, 2 to 3 workouts a week of each, and a couple of days off a week. And here I'm about to get started. So this is a very simple workout. I'm gonna do 3 moves and I'm gonna do 2 rounds. I'll just show you the first round. And it's essentially gonna be a pull-up, a push-up, and a leg move, but it's gonna be variations. So I'll just kind of explain what I'm gonna do. So during the first round, what I'm gonna show you is I'm gonna do a pull-up with a body tuck. I'm not sure what they're called, but you'll see the move. My second move is gonna be Spider-Man push-ups, and my third move will be jump squats. In my second round, I'm gonna vary that up. I'll probably do chin-ups instead of pull-ups. I may just do regular push-ups, something like that. So I vary it up, but I'll show you what I'm doing here. I'll rest about 3 minutes in between each set, so I'm nice and ready for the next set. So I'll cut through that and just show you the actual workout moves. And then after that, I'll show you what I'll be eating. So let's get started. Make sure you do a warm-up before you attempt this. And make sure if you don't have a pull-up bar at your house, get yourself a pull-up bar. I got one in my garage. It's nice and solid. It's not going anywhere. But there's also ones you can get to put in your door frame as well. So that can work if you don't have a garage. And we'll get started. I did a little warm-up, and here we go. So these are, I'm not sure what these are called, but they're pull-ups, and you tuck in your knees at the top. All right, so go pretty hard until failure there. Take about a 3-minute break and then I'll do my push-up move. Okay, took about a 4-minute break and here we go. I'm gonna do some Spider-Man push-ups. If you can't do these, you can do regular push-ups. If you can't do regular push-ups, you can do push-ups on your knees. There's always modifications. You can always use a pull-up band a pull-up assist band to help you with pull-ups if you can't do pull-ups. So there's always a way. And here we go. I'm gonna do Spider-Man push-ups. You do a push-up, you bring your knee to your elbow on the bottom. Here we go. Okay. That was it there. Take about 3 or 4 minutes and I'll do my jump squats. Okay, had a few minutes rest. Now we're doing jump squats. Pretty self-explanatory. If you can't jump, just squat down. But if you can get some air, get some air. Here we go. All right, nice little set. Rest a few minutes. 1 more round. Switch up some things on the next round, like I'll do chin-ups instead of pull-ups. And after that, I'll be back with what I'll be eating today. Here we go. Okay, it's about 1:30 and I put together this smoothie. And I actually had a smoothie like this on my last video, but in this thing I have 3 dates. I have 6 frozen ripe bananas. I have a tablespoon of cacao powder, a tablespoon of peanut butter. I have about a 1/2 cup of coconut water and a 1/2 cup of almond milk and a few kale leaves as well. So it's like a green banana, peanut butter, chocolate smoothie. So it's delicious. Try this one out. Let me know what you think. So I'll have this and I'll be back in a few hours with my second meal for the day. Next up at 4 p.m., I made a bowl of oatmeal. I put on some blueberries. I had some soaked chia seeds, a couple tablespoons of that, about a 1/4 cup of pecans, and some maple syrup and a splash of almond milk, and there it was. And then dinner at 7 p.m. I started with a salad. It had mixed greens, a cucumber, an apple, and an avocado. And then I had some veggie chili. It had sweet potatoes, beans, some vegetables, and some homemade sourdough bread with some jam, and I had seconds on both of those. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. I have some delicious recipes there. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.